Hello viewers, welcome to UN College Digital Class. Today we are going to discuss about the operators in C++. In the previous class of C++, I have discussed some basic meanings, private and public, and how to write a class, how to declare one object, etc. If you have not gone through all those videos, then please go through that so that you can be very clear on the basic concepts of C++. Let's start. First we will describe that what is the meaning of an operator. If you know about C programming language, then the operator may be defined as some special symbols which specify what type of operation will be performed by the user or performed by the expression. Now we will start by giving one example that exactly what is the meaning of operators. We will write the statement C equal to A plus B. Here we are using some operands and we are using some operators. In this example, here we have used two operators, those are plus and equal to, and here we have used some operands, those are A, B and C. Similarly, in any programming language, each programming language is having its own set of operators. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one in C++. Let's start. First we will discuss about the arithmetic operator. The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, and next one is remainder. Okay. These are the 5 arithmetic operators. We will explain about all these by giving one example. Now I am writing a C++ program by giving one example of all the arithmetic operators, and so that you will be very clear on these operators. Let's start. Suppose the program is, you may use any class name. Here I am using the class name demo, and I am using 3 variables here, int a, b, c, because I am going to use all the arithmetic operators and all those operators are binary operators. And if you are not specifying any specific address specifier, then here it is by default it is private if you are not using any access specifier. Then now I am using one input method or function, you may say it as a method or function, no problem, and here the access specifier is public. Okay. Here I am using the statement cout, enter 2 values, then cin. We know that cout is used for just like printf in C, and cin is used just like scanf in C. Cin, here we are using cin to input 2 values in A and B, and here we are using cout. It is a message for the user that enter 2 values. Suppose in some cases programmer may omit this statement, no problem. If you are writing only cin, then it is also okay. Then the next one is void calculate. Inside the class demo, I have used 3 variables, one input method and one calculate method. Inside the calculate method, C equal to A plus B. It is the arithmetic plus operator which is binary in nature. Then we are writing the output cout C. It means that here C will display the result of the addition arithmetic operator. Then the next one is C equal to A minus B. Similarly, in this case C is storing the addition of 2 numbers. In this case we are using minus operator. It means that it is the subtraction operator, it is storing the result of the subtraction. Then cout C. Next is C equal to A into V. It is the multiplication operator. We are displaying the output cout C. Next is C equal to A divided by B. It is the division operator and which is display the division result. Okay. So, cout C. Next I am writing here because it is going to the down and down, C equal to A modulus B. What is the difference between division and modulus? In case of division, it is producing the output of the division, here it is producing the remainder, C out C. Now it is the closing brace of the calculate method, then the next one is closing brace of the class demo. Because the whole we are writing from starting from the class demo, it is the ending point of class demo. Now we will use it inside a main method. So inside the main method, void main, then inside the main method first we need to write the object of a class. The class name is demo and here let the object is D. You may use any name as the object, no problem. Then D dot input. When you are writing D dot input, it means that you are executing the input method of demo. It is very simple one. Then D dot calculate. You must be very careful at the time of writing the method name. If there is any sort of spelling mistake or capital and small letter problem, then it will not be executed and it will display compilation error. Then it is the end of the main method. Now we will discuss what will be the output of this program. Suppose this is the class demo, this is the main method. Inside the main method, we have written that demo D. It means that D is the object and inside D, all the data member of the class demo are present. It means that the D contains one int A and B. Let A contains 20 and B contains 3. Let A value is 20 and B equal to 3. And inside the input method we have inputted 20 and 3. Now we will discuss about the calculate method. When we are executing the calculate method, what will be the output? First we are displaying the output of sum, means arithmetic addition operator. The output will be 23, A plus B equal to 23. Then next we are displaying the result of minus operator or subtraction. The result will be 20 minus 3 equal to 17. Then the next multiplication operator, that is the value will be 60. Then next division operator, then the value will be 6. Then next the remainder operator value will be 2, because in case of division 20 divided by 3, the result will be 6, but when you are using 20 modulus 3, the output will be 2. I hope you have got some basic idea on all the arithmetic 5 operator, and if you have any doubt, then please write in the comment box so that we can clear your doubt in the next session. Now we will discuss about assignment operator. Now we will discuss about the assignment operator. It is very much interesting one and it is very similar to C programming, but here again we will discuss it. We know that assignment operator is equal to symbol, okay, but with the equal to symbol all the arithmetic operator can be combined and it will work in a very interesting manner. Let us start. For example, it is equal to, next one is plus equal to, next one is minus equal to, then is multiplication equal to, then is division equal to, and the last one is remainder equal to. How it is working? For example, suppose I have taken two variables A and B, and let I am writing A equal to B. Let we assume that A value equal to 5 and B value equal to 6. It means that here what will happen? The A will contain 6 and B will also contain 6. Okay. It means that the assignment operator is just transferring, or it just copy the value of the right side from the towards the left side. It is the job of the assignment operator, all of us know it. But when you are writing plus equal to, what, how you will write it and exactly what it means. For example, suppose you are writing a plus equal to b. It means that it represents that a equal to a plus b. It means that now the a value will be what? A value, suppose the a value is 5 and b value is 6 previously. Then at the end of the execution of this statement, a value will be 11 and b value will be 6. Okay. I think all of you clear on this concept. Now we will move towards this one, minus equal to. When we are discussing about minus equal to, suppose we are taking the example of this operator, then what will happen? Suppose here a equal to 15 and b equal to 6. Suppose here we are writing a minus equal to b. It means that a equal to a minus b. It means that now the a value will be what? 15 minus 6, 9, and b value will be what? As usual 6. It is the output. I think all of you are clear on this plus equal to and minus equal to. Later we will write a program and you will execute the program, so that you will be very clear. Now we will discuss about multiplication equal to and the rest. First we will discuss about multiplication equal to. Let a equal to 5 and b equal to 6. Okay. Now if you will write a multiplication equal to a multiplication equal to b, it means that a equal to a into b. It means that after executing this statement, a value will be 5 into 6, 30, and b value will be as usual 6. I hope all of you are clear on this one. Now we will move to the next one, division equal to. Suppose a value equal to 50 and b value equal to the same one is 6. Here we are taking. Then if you are writing a division equal to b, it means that a equal to a divided by b, and after executing this statement, the output of a will be 50 divided by 6 equal to 8, and b equal to as usual 6. Okay. I hope you have cleared on this concept. Now we will move towards the last one. When you are writing a remainder equal to, then what will happen? Let a value is 50 and b value is 6. And when you are writing a modulus b, a modulus equal to b, it means that a equal to a modulus b. It means that now the a will contain 50 modulus 6 equal to 2 and b contains as usual 6. I hope you have understood this, and if you have any doubt, then please write to us so that we can clear your doubt. Now I am giving the example of increment and decrement operator. Now I am giving one example in which we will explain all the assignment operators, so that you will be very clear on the concept. Let the class is demo. You may use any name, no problem, and as here we are using assignment operator and it is a binary operator, that is why we are using here two variables. In case of the previous one, in case of the arithmetic operator, we have used 3 variables. Okay, that was necessary in that program, but here that was, all those are also binary operator and all these are also binary operator, but here if we are using 2 variables, then it is okay. It depends how many variables are used in which type of operators. Then next one is public. All of you know that public is the access specifier. If we are not write the public here, then we will face problem or compilation error when we want to access the method. Now void input. Void input is used to enter the values. Instead of using void input, you can directly put the values into the variables, but that was not wise one. So, here we are using void input. Cout, enter 2 number. All of us know that cout is used to just like printf to display the statement or to display the message. Then next one is cin, it is very similar to scanf to input the values cin A then B. The first value you will input into the A variable, then the next one you will input in the B variable. Then we will use here the next method. You may use any method name here, but here I am using the method name calculate, and inside the method I am writing, suppose we assume that A value equal to the same one is 5 and B value equal to 6. Okay, we will take this one later. Let me first complete the program. Suppose A equal to B, cout A, then here we have to enter some other values because in this case both A and B values are equal, but if we will use the same value also it will not take a big deal. Then A plus equal to B, then cout A and B, then A minus equal to B, cout A B. Let me complete the program once, then we will explain it step by step. Then A multiplication equal to B, cout A B. Then the next one is, here I am just writing the next coding, A division equal to B, cout A B. Then A modulus equal to B, then cout A B. It is the end of the calculate, it is the end of the demo. This is the whole program of class demo. We have not written main method till now, but let me explain this program once again before erasing the program. This is class demo. Here we have used two variables. The public specifier, access specifier is public here. As we have not mentioned any access specifier, all these are private. Then we have used one input method. Inside the input method we are entering two values. If we are not using input method, then it is also okay, you can put the values directly here. Then next one is calculate method. Inside the calculate method, the assignment operator, then plus equal to assignment operator, then minus equal to assignment operator, then multiplication equal to assignment operator, then division equal to, then remainder equal to. Okay, I think, and this is the closing brace of the void calculate method. Then this is the closing brace of class demo. Then we will write the main method. In the main method, we will write, this is void main. Why is that you should write void here? If you are not writing void, it is also okay, but it is not wise one. Instead of void, you may use int main also. If you will use int main, then you have to write return 0. Let use it instead of void, because we have already done so many programs using void. Let us write some program using int. Then next one is demo. You may use any object name here. I am using D. Then D dot input, then D dot calculate. Yes, as we are using int main here, so we have to use return 0. When you are writing demo D, what happens? One D object will be allocated. D will contain two variables, one is A and one is B, because these are the data member of class demo. Then when you are using D dot input, now the D will execute input method and enter two values, and when you are writing D dot calculate, now then the D will execute calculate method. perform all the arithmetic operators with assignment operators and display 6 different values in front of you. Then return 0. Let me explain it. When you are writing void main, it means that you need not to return anything to the operating system. What is the necessity of returning any value to the operating system? It means that suppose if someone is instructing you to do some task, it is your responsibility after completion of the task to say to the to respond to the person or to convey the message to the person who has assigned you the task. Okay, it is your responsibility. It means that you are returning that whether the task is completed or whether the task is incomplete or not completed. Similarly, when the main method is executed by the system, it is the responsibility of the main method to return to the operating system that whether the task is completed or whether the task is not completed. If you are writing void, it means that you are not returning anything, you are not saying anything which is not wise at all. But when you are using int, it means that you need to say to the operating system whether the task is completed or it is incomplete. Return 0. When you are returning 0 to the operating system, it means that yes, the task is successful, completed. I hope you have understood the basic concept of arithmetic operator and assignment operator. If you have any doubt, then please write to us so that we can clear your doubt. Thank you so much for watching and have a great time.